Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Steelcase chair in the Series 1 lineup. A chair that expertly balances ergonomics, durability, and style to elevate your workspace comfort. The Steelcase Series 1 office chair is designed for those who spend long hours at their desk and demand both support and flexibility. Its ergonomic design focuses on providing essential support where you need it most. The chair features weight-activated controls that adjust automatically to your body, offering a personalized seating experience without the hassle of manual adjustments. This means whether you lean back or sit upright, the chair responds smoothly to your movements, maintaining perfect posture alignment and reducing fatigue. One of the standout aspects of this chair is its customizable features. You have the option to add a 4-dimensional arm support, which means you can adjust the arms in height, depth, width, and pivot to find the perfect position that reduces strain on your shoulders and wrists. For those who want extra comfort, an adjustable headrest is also available, providing crucial neck support that many office chairs lack. The back support includes adaptive bolstering, which contours to your spine to alleviate pressure points and encourage a healthy sitting posture. Durability is a key factor for Steelcase, and this Series 1 model is built with high-quality materials designed to last. The seat cushion is made from supportive foam that retains its shape over time, while the frame is robust yet lightweight, making the chair sturdy but easy to move. The chair comes equipped with wheels designed specifically for carpeted floors, allowing smooth movement without damaging your flooring. If you have hard floors, there's an option for hard floor casters to keep your floors safe while rolling effortlessly. Assembly is a breeze with the Steelcase Series 1. You can put it together in under 2 minutes without the need for any tools. This quick setup means you can start enjoying its ergonomic benefits almost immediately after unboxing. The chair's dimensions make it a great fit for a variety of spaces. With a depth of 31 inches, a width of 28.5 inches, and a seat height starting at 16 inches, it balances space efficiency with comfort, fitting well in both home offices and professional settings. Weighing just 29 pounds, it's not too heavy, so moving or repositioning the chair is convenient. Beyond just comfort and durability, Steelcase has engineered this chair with sustainability and quality in mind, ensuring that their seating solutions help you maintain productivity throughout your workday. In conclusion, the Steelcase Series 1 office chair is an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, ergonomic chair that supports good posture, offers customizable comfort options, and is built to last. Whether you're working from home or in an office, this chair delivers on comfort and quality with a design backed by extensive research and innovation. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in the best Steelcase chair for everyday productivity and comfort, the Series 1 should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.